Oh! If you've never seen the burnout, then this will be wonderful. Watch this burnout. Time for a burnout!
Whee!
Down.
Down, he wants me down.
Hey Leon, do the spin car.
That's
That's the lid. Lid?
That.
That fits on the lid of the camera. The lid of the camera.
Close-up view of Leon's finger. Alright, let's see what we can do here. It's the super pump dance. Well, you try it, Leon. See if you can even come down this way. Keep going, it's going up.
I think he's got one wheel shorter than the other.
There he goes.
Yeah.
Turn out. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Okay, do it.
Here it comes.
That was a
We're
good one.
being attacked.
That.
Oh, we're being attacked.
That.
There he goes. Here we go. Now do it this time. Watch. There you go.
It's a burnout.
Do the burnout. Do him on this side. There you go. Are you ready? I'm going to respond to the emergency.
Oh, here it comes.
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Ah! He's a toe eater. Give him a little help.
The bug down.
You have to help him out. Here you go. Give him a little push. There he goes.
Ah,
Hey
baby.
Leon, watch this one. Hey Leon,
That.
he's gonna take the ball for a ride. Hey Leon, watch this. He's gonna take the ball for a ride. There you go. There you go.
He got the ball.
Ah! Toe eater.
A toe eater. Toe jam eater.
He loves toe jam. Hello. You want to speak to Leon? Here you go. It's for you. Here, it's for you. Come and get it. Come and get it. It's for you. Ah!
Ooh. Hello.
Say howdy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Test subjects. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we need to move the red bucket down. It's too big for
Ooh.
it. Good champion. Are you gonna do the dizzy dance?
Woo!
Whoa!
Say everything's spinning around.
Right around like a record, baby. Yow!
He hit the big truck.
We're gonna try for super speed. Oh!
Daddy.
Yes.
Whee!
Whoa! Yeah! Toilet flusher. Another one for me. Oh, no, it's gonna do up and wee! Bonk. Yeah, 5 seconds in. Are you counting the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful. Oh, there's the Burnout King. Oh, we're burnout. All right, Leon, let's do a pile of cars for the Bigfoot monster truck to roll over. About 30 minutes to turn a perfectly clean the Hot Wheels Championship Center. The monster trucks. First you have the volunteers. And then you have the monster truck. Oh, here he goes, Leon. Ah! Now this one, you can roll back and then let it up. I think he needs some help.
Here he comes.
There you go, there you go.
Whee! Whee! Here it comes. There it goes.
Nuts.
All right, we gotta fix the ramp.
The ramp broke.
The ramp ain't working for right. Tell
Daddy.
you what, we'll give him a little boost.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Daddy. Daddy.
Here goes,
Daddy's in the picture. Here we go. Uh-oh.
Level the support out a little bit here. Boo! Down, down the bridge, he's falling down, falling down, falling down. Bonk. You gonna do a super jump? Hot wheel? Extravaganza? Oh, what happened? Penalty!
Hubba.
Okay, do it a different way.
Papa.
Oh, okay, you do it on that track. Close up. Now they contact track. I've got it now. Talk about the need for speed. Here it goes. Dun, 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 dun. Oopsie, backwards. Oh. Ah. Would you like to see the green balloon go flying? Here he goes.
Wee, 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 wee,
The
wee.
green balloon and throw.
Ah, the green balloon got walloped.
Oh!
Ooh.
Let's see here. What next?